A lot of people think that their IRS problem starts when they owe money. That's usually not true. It often starts with a letter. And it's a letter most people have never heard of, but they may have seen. It's called a CP-59 Notice. And if you've received one, the IRS is basically asking you, hey, where's your tax return? Now, before you panic, a CP-59 is not the end of the world, but it is something that should be taken seriously, because this is often one of the first signs that the IRS believes that you're missing a tax return. And here's what surprises people. The IRS already has information all about you. They're probably going to have your W-2s. They're probably going to have your 1099s, your brokerage statements, information from employers, banks, even payment processors if you're self-employed. They know what income has been reported. Now, what they're looking for is the actual tax return. Now, here's where people get themselves into trouble. They receive the notice, the CP-59, they open it up, they read it, and then they tell themselves, I'm going to get that next weekend. And the next weekend becomes next month. And then the next month becomes the next year. And eventually, they're sitting across from me saying, Josh, I think I have a problem. Usually, that's a pretty accurate assessment. See, the IRS isn't sending letters just because they're bored. They're sending letters because they're looking for something. In this case, your tax return. Now, sometimes people tell me, I don't know anything. Maybe that's true. I don't know. But the IRS also doesn't know that because the return hasn't been filed. And until the return is filed, the IRS is working with incomplete information. Think about it this way. Imagine someone asked me to calculate your tax bill, but they didn't tell me your deduction, your expenses, your dependents maybe. Oh, maybe you have some credits or some write-offs, right? I don't know any of that. So I'm probably going to get the answer wrong. So the IRS has exactly the same problem, except eventually they stop waiting. And that's when bigger problems start, because penalties start adding up. And penalties, they're a nasty habit, let me tell you. They grow quietly, month after month, year after year, helped by 8% interest compounded daily. And a lot of people just focus on the tax, and they should be paying attention to those penalties and interest, because sometimes the penalties can be painful in themselves. And then, like I said, that interest, because the IRS charges interest. So now we have tax plus penalties plus interest plus time. And none of those things move in your favor. One of the things I've noticed over the years, 23 years I've been doing this, is tax problems age like milk. They barely improve by sitting around. So now let's say your tax return still isn't filed. The IRS still keeps looking. They keep sending notices. They keep following their process, and eventually they decide to create a return for themselves. And if that sounds familiar, it's because I talked to you about it in another video. It's called substitute for return. And trust me, you would much rather file your own return than let the IRS create one for you. Because that's how balances end up starting at huge balances. And it's completely insane. 20,000 to 30,000 to 50,000, sometimes even more. And the first thing that people tell me is that there's no way I owe that much. Sometimes they're right, but now we're trying to fix a problem that's gotten much bigger than it really needed to become. Eventually, the notices continue, the pressure increases, and the IRS starts moving into collections. That's when people realize that this isn't just paperwork. That wasn't just another envelope. This was the beginning of a process. And the longer it sits, the harder it becomes. So if you received CP-59, don't assume that it's going to go away, or assume that the IRS forgot about you. And don't assume that because you don't owe any money right now, the return doesn't matter. The best move is usually figuring out exactly what's missing and getting ahead of the problem before the IRS gets ahead of you, because it's a lot easier to deal with the CP-59 today than a collection notice tomorrow. So let's face it, if you've received the CP-59 or you're not sure which years are missing, get clarity now. Find out where you stand. Find out what's been filed. Find out what's missing. And if you need help sorting that all out, that's exactly what we do at Best Tax Pro.